Hello. Hello.
Hello.
You are very beautiful. What are you doing? You are buying something.
And so?
Don't worry, collect this. I'll do the payment.
In fact, come, let me tell you something.
Just tell me you love me.
Love who?
Me, of course.
You are such a wicked person.
Scoop and Kenya.
I witnessed what just happened.
Is your Piotr code?
Yes.
Bring it down, it's good, it's good.
I know I've changed.
You don't have change? Go and look for change now. Check around if you see change. Yeah.
I know I've changed.
Why do you not take a cab or take a vehicle to see if you can get change? Okay, you don't have change, Abi?
No.
You don't have change. Come on, go.
Why me?
You want me to leave my hard internet for you? Nonsense. Guy, keep going.
Why me?
Wait, instead of you to just leave that money for her, you had to spill the water. That's the highest rate of wickedness. Give help to those that need it. Do you understand? As for me, I don't need your help.
Scoop and Kenya.
Friend girl, where are you going?
I want to buy something.
Hey, want to buy something? Come on, take biscuit now before you buy something.
My mother will beat me.
Your mommy will not beat you. Come on, take biscuit and enjoy. Come on, enjoy yourself tactically. Your mother is not here. Don't worry, nobody's looking at you. Yeah, just sit down and enjoy it.
I beg you in the name of God, please let me go.
We should let you go.
Yes.
You know what? Me, I'm very tasty. You know what? Help us to buy Piotr first. It's in front. Do you understand? Do you have any money there with you?
Yeah, I have some.
Give me. Take. Help us to buy Piotr. It's in front. Go and come back. I'm very tasty. Or would you drink Piotr?
Of course I will.
Let her go and come back.
This guy number is not going through.
His number is not going through. WhatsApp him.
I should WhatsApp you now. Where is this girl?
She want to buy Piotr first, or would you drink Piotr?
Hey! Somebody you have risked your life to bring to this place. You will just send her pure water.
School Petenya. I don't know what I was doing.
You have never known what you have been doing. Do things in a tactical manner. You see how we tactically remove her from that side.
We will get on that product and she will come back also.
Who have that time? Is this how you want to buy things? Hey! Yeah.